Welcome friends. A good news for you. From now onwards, we will bring our daily current affairs series in English language also. So, in this video, we will discuss June 14th current affairs. Let's take deep dive into it. So, question number 1, how much money center is going to pump under Jal Jeevan Mission in financial year 21? So, friends, the correct answer is rupees 30,000 crore, and let me tell you that this is a government scheme, means central scheme, and under this scheme the share of center and state will be 1:1. Means let us suppose in Tamil Nadu center is giving 20,000 crore, then the state government of that state will also have to give 20,000 crore, and under this scheme 14.8 crore rural household will be provided tap water. And this scheme has a deadline, means a time period, it is a time bounded scheme, and 2024 is the time before which this mission has to be completed. So question number 2, Clicks Capital, which is a financial company, has offered a deal to merge itself with which private lender? So the correct answer is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. If any company wants to get merged itself, or any another company wants to acquire someone, so it means M merger or acquisition will happen. For such kind of thing, RBI, means approval of RBI is must, Reserve Bank of India, and the decision of RBI becomes the final decision in such case. Last year, Indiabulls Housing Finance also wanted to merge itself in Lakshmi Vilas Bank, but finally RBI struck off its request, and this merger was didn't take place. So we know that the decision of RBI is the supreme thing. Moving on to the next question, which of the following actor passed away? So probably you know that this person is Sushant Singh Rajput. He was an actor, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and many things. He also has a company known as Realytics, in which he used to deal with artificial intelligence and other things which are related to exponential technology. Moving on, question number 4, which portal launched by government to provide information on real-time availability of critical healthcare supplies? So right answer is Arogya Path. Arogya Path. Path means road or way. Earlier, two portal has also released Arogya Setu. In this is a type of app through which we get the information that how many patients, how many persons are COVID positive in our vicinity or in our area. And Arogya Sanjeevani, on this portal we can see the real-time studies of COVID-19 in India. So moving on to the question number 5, Health Ministry has released some guidelines. So you have to tell that which of the following statement is false. So first of all, we will see the last option, use of hydroxychloroquine to treat COVID-19. Yes, this is true. Home Ministry has just released this guidelines. Use of remdesivir, this is also true. And loss of simple or taste as a COVID-19 symptom. Yes, this has been also included in the COVID-19 system, that loss of smell or taste can also contribute to COVID-19. And use of Siddha to treat COVID-19, this is false. This has not been released by Health Ministry yet, but let me tell you a fact that in Tamil Nadu, the number of cases of COVID-19 are very much, but death rate and recovery rate, means death rate is very less and recovery rate is very high. Means if we compare this with Gujarat, but in Tamil Nadu death rate is very low, and people are getting healthy very quickly. One of the reasons is the use of Siddha medicine in the hospitals and in the local market of Tamil Nadu. So government should examine this fact, and they should make a conclusion about it. So question number 6, in which state does the GMR will develop Greenfield Bhogapuram International Airport? So this is a Greenfield airport, means everything will be started from scratch. There is two type of field, one is greenfield and another is brownfield. So brownfield, there is very much thing are already there, but in greenfield any project is started from scratch. So GMR will develop this airport, and Bhogapuram International Airport is situated in Visakhapatnam, and Visakhapatnam lies in Andhra Pradesh. So question number 7. India's oldest first class cricketer dies in Mumbai at the age of 100. You have to name that person. So this person is Vasant Raji. He was of 100 years age and he was a first class cricketer, oldest first class cricketer. Moving on to the question number 8. International Albinism Awareness Day observed on June 13th. What is the theme? Basically, albinism is a type of disorder in the human body in which there is a pigment named as melanin, which provides color to hair, skin and eye, and because of the absence of this pigment, the human body seems white or pale yellow. You can see in this picture this crocodile also lacks this pigment, and people generally think that this is a kind of, means superstitionally they discriminate that person, that if someone is suffering from albinism then people discriminate them. So for that this day is celebrated and awareness is created in the society, and the theme for this question was made to shine. So albinism day theme is made to shine. You just put this fact in your mind. Question number 9. Nepal alters its map. What are the areas of Uttarakhand that Nepal is claiming in its map? So in the lower house, means lower house of the Nepal, this bill has been passed, but in upper house this bill is still awaited, means no decision has been take place, means like in next week this bill will go to the upper house. Like in India there is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, same case is there with Nepal also. So these three are the right answer: Kala Pani, Lipu Lake and Limpia Dhaura. So Nepal has said that these three lies in their territory, and India said that no, these three lies in the district of Uttarakhand, which is in district is Pithoragarh and the state is Uttarakhand, and it lies in India. So this is the issue. Question number 10, and this is the last question. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated on June 14th. What was the theme? So the theme was Save Blood, Save Life. You know that what is the importance of blood donation. So for that this thing is made. This day is celebrated. There is a disease known as thalassemia, in which blood is related at a very constant rate, and in this COVID pandemic such patients are facing severe problem because of the shortage of blood donors. Let me tell you that this day is celebrated in the remember of, because on this day Karl Landsteiner was born. Karl Landsteiner, and Karl Landsteiner was that person who discovered blood group like A, B and O. So thanks for watching. Kindly smash the bell icon for the notification, and feel free for any suggestions at hi@lightmode.in. So bye bye and see you soon with next current affairs, that is 15th June. Thank you.